Clunking noises, a noticeable clunking sound when shifting gears or accelerating can indicate wear in the U-joint. 2. Vibration, excessive vibrations felt in the vehicle, particularly at higher speeds, may signal a failing U-joint. 3. Grease leakage, visible grease around the U-joint area can indicate that the seals are worn and that the joint needs lubrication or replacement. 4. Difficulty steering, if you experience difficulty steering or feel resistance, it may be due to a failing U-joint affecting the drivetrain. 5. Worn or damaged bearings, inspecting the U-joint may reveal worn or damaged bearings, which can lead to failure. 6. Inconsistent power delivery, if you notice a lack of power delivery to the wheels or a delay in acceleration, a faulty U-joint might be the cause. 7. Changes in drivability, a noticeable change in how the vehicle drives, such as pulling to one side or a rough ride, can be symptomatic of U-joint issues. 8. Popping or clicking sounds, popping or clicking noises when the vehicle is in motion can indicate that the U-joint is failing. 9. Play in the U-joint, if there is excessive play or movement when you manually test the U-joint, it is likely worn out and needs replacement. 10. Excessive wear on other components, if other components in the drivetrain, such as the driveshaft or differential, show signs of excessive wear, it may be due to a malfunctioning U-joint. Conclusion, if you notice any of these signs, it's important to have your vehicle inspected by a qualified mechanic. Addressing U-joint issues early can prevent further damage to the drivetrain and ensure safe driving conditions.